What if you could build a fully automated AI chatbot that works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, without writing a single line of code? Let me show you exactly how. Losing leads because nobody answered at 11 p.m.? Team drowning in the same questions every day? That's the exact problem TruChat AI was built to solve: instant answers, around the clock. Step 1. Open TruChat and pick a template. You get a visual drag and drop canvas. Add a question node to capture email, an AI response node powered by GPT-4o, and an action node that pushes leads straight to HubSpot. Step 2. Upload your product documentation as a PDF. TruChat indexes it instantly using RAG AI. Now every answer is grounded in your actual knowledge base, not a generic response. Step 3. Hit publish. Paste one embed script into your website. Your chat widget appears in 30 seconds. Your bot is now live, capturing leads, syncing to HubSpot, and running 24/7. Try TruChat free for 14 days. Visit truchat.truxity.ai, link in the description. Subscribe for more AI product walkthroughs. See you in the next one.